Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon SES, is often promoted as a powerful, low-cost email marketing and sending tool, but the real question is whether it actually works as a complete marketing platform or just an infrastructure tool. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely misleading. Amazon SES is a real and widely used email service built by AWS, designed to send massive volumes of emails reliably and cheaply. It's trusted by large companies and can handle everything from transactional emails to bulk sending at scale. However, here's the key point. SES is not a traditional email marketing tool, and that's where many users get confused. There are some clear strengths. Extremely low cost, around 10 cents per 1,000 emails, make it one of the cheapest options available. High scalability, built on AWS infrastructure for massive sending volumes. Reliable delivery system with strong uptime and performance. Flexible integration via API or SMTP for developers. User feedback, especially from developers, is generally positive when SES is used for what it's designed for, transactional emails like receipts, OTPs, and notifications. That said, there are some major downsides. The biggest one is functionality. SES lacks most features you'd expect from a marketing tool. No built-in campaign builder, .no email sequences, or automation flows, .no audience segmentation, or CRM features. Another issue is technical complexity. Setup requires configuring things like SPF, DKIM, and domain verification that is not beginner-friendly and often requires developer knowledge. From real user discussions, this comes up a lot. Setup isn't very intuitive. Explaining this stuff is painful. There are also strict rules around usage. SES is not suitable for cold email marketing, and accounts can be suspended for unsolicited campaigns. Finally, there's the incomplete tool problem. Many users end up combining SES with other tools just to get basic marketing features like tracking, campaigns, and analytics. So, is Amazon SES worth it? It depends heavily on your use case. If you're a developer, SaaS builder, or business sending transactional emails, SES is one of the best and cheapest tools available. If you're a marketer looking for an all-in-one email marketing platform, SES alone will feel limited and frustrating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.